chi-square? God, no. Or the specific formula for the f? No. But I might ask you to tell me if this random variable is a normal with mean mu and variance sigma squared, and we take a random sample of size n, and we square each of the x's and we add them up. What's the distribution of that random variable? I might ask you something like that. That's a fair question. It doesn't mean you have to know the formula for the chi-square. That's why we have chi-square tables.
The questions that you asked throughout class, like, notes, the answers, then give these to the question for that kind of question you're going to be asking next on the class.
No. The test will be fundamentally numeric. You've got to be able to solve numeric problems. But if you understood things that we were talking about, and you know how a t-statistic is constructed, then it should be a cakewalk.
And you will supply for some quicker values that we need.
Laura just asked if I was going to give you the tables, and I said yes. And not only that, but the tables are a little picture at the top. It tells you what part of the curve is being integrated for the use of the table. Okay. So how would I study for this? Well, it looks to me like you've got a whole pot full of past homeworks and exams. I would do those. I would make sure that I had a good understanding of things that we talked about in class, and that I could solve problems based on that material. I don't know what the rest of you are doing, but some of you are going to teach economics sometime in the not-too-distant future. And invariably, your students will come to you and they'll say, oh, I read the book and I understand the theory, but I can't do the problems. That means they read the words, but they didn't understand the words. So I feel the same way about this. You should be able to understand the nuance of some of the arguments that we were making over the last few weeks. And you should be able to do numerical problems, given that you understand the explanations and the nuance. So having talked at some length about the dependent variable being projected into the column space spanned by the right-hand side variables, you ought to be able to infer what the implication is for doing numerical exercise.